Hey guys, what's up? MultiPSthreegamer here, and welcome back to another video. Today we are finally back in the Dragon Block Z mod update spotlight. It is update 1.112. That's crazy to think about. Dragon Block Z version 1.4.71. And we got some new stuff in this version. I'm kind of excited, not gonna lie, because some of the stuff is stuff that I've been working on with code and trying to get into incorporate with Final Stand, and it's now in the mod itself. Granted, I don't exactly know 100% if it's the way I coded it in with some help, but it's something, and that is giving yourself racial skills with commands. Which I think is awesome. So you can unlock skills with doing like quest or something, or you could like write a command. Hold on, what was it? It's like JRMC racial skill, set or add a level of the skill and the player you want the TP cost on, consider mind. I don't really understand the TP cost on and consider mind part, so if you know what that means, just let me know. You can also turn racial skills on and off in the config using TP, which is the PogChamp of what I've been doing with code. Just to show you, let's see. Hold on. All right, apologies. I had to see a command. As you can see in the chat, it says racial skill will start from 7 to 0. That's right. I had all my skills in here, and I was able to go Super Saiyan. But now I am not able to go Super Saiyan. Must be Halloween time. And I'm not able to go Super Saiyan. That is something that I'm very happy that Ben added. Originally, I had that added by myself, just with the coding for the server. But we are able to finally do that with commands, which I think is going to help out a lot of people in the long run. I think it's going to make server play much more interesting for a little bit until it gets, I guess you could say stale, but I think it's exciting. So the command you have to do is, first of all, let me show you. I have absolutely no skills. My super form is set to 0. I know it might be a little bit difficult to see. It costs 100 TP and 1,000 mind. So if I do /JRMC racial skill, I hit enter, it says you could set or add the amount and then the player name. So what I did, we'll just do add 1. We'll just put 1, and then we'll just put my name, and it put me from from super form level 0 to super form level 1. Of course, it did take the mind, which I guess I didn't know about. We'll try something else without the mind, and now I can finally go Super Saiyan. Slowly, very, very slowly, but we're gonna get there one day. Oh yeah, if you could tell, that's the new King Yemma model and King Kai model. Oh, I didn't go Super Saiyan. I know why. It's because I have it, so I can't. Hold on. Alright, sorry, I did change something in my server, and now I should be able to go Super Saiyan. That is one of the features with my server, is you can't go Super Saiyan unless you complete the quest for it. So now that I can finally go Super Saiyan, which is a PogChamp. So let's go ahead and go to... Oh, well, I didn't want to go to 0%, but yeah, went to 0%, and let's try... You know what, let's try adding to it. So we'll add 3 levels to it, just to see. And then TP cost on. So if I just do false, I don't want it to cost any TP. And I don't want to cost any mind. So does that work? So it's been set from 1 to now number 4. So let's see, did it... Alright, so I still have 12 TP. Did it take the mind? Oh, it did take the mind. Okay. I don't exactly know how that works. I apologize for that. As you can see, I had negative 950 mind earlier, or something like that, and I have negative 3... Or maybe it was negative 150, but regardless, I have negative 3,150, which is not something I want, but I believe I could be able to go Super Saiyan Grade 2. Oh, just kidding. Grade 3. Wait, no, this is Grade 2, isn't it? I don't know. Oh, it's Super Saiyan Grade 3. Just kidding. Yeah, we're able to go Super Saiyan Grade 3 now with just using that command. Now let's just do, what if I just do true and true? We haven't tried that. I just want to add 3 more. Set to 4. Oh, it failed. From 4 to 4. Huh. What if I do set 7. That didn't work. Oh wait, I know why. Alright, let's see if this works now. So let's set to 7. Okay, just kidding, maybe not. Does true and true not work? False. True? Maybe? Uh-oh. I have an idea. So, I apologize. I'm still getting used to this. Alright, so I set for anything from 4 to 0, so we're starting from the beginning. I can't go Super Saiyan, as you can see. I'm holding G. Well, you can't see that. And let's just try... Can we set it to 7? Okay, so we can set it to 7. We're able to go up to Super Saiyan Blue. Maybe. That does not look like Super Saiyan Blue. Alright, that is definitely not Super Saiyan Blue. Okay, this is confusing. I don't think it's the mod's fault. I think it's something that's built in my server. We can only go Super Saiyan. Oh, I know why. I believe I forgot to put it where if you oh, what, it just what hello I'm so dumb. I forgot I need the actual skill to do it. So DBC skill, give level 3 god form. Just kidding, it's this and then this. Now we should be able to go Super Saiyan Blue. There we go. Alright, so now we can go Super Saiyan Blue. Hey. Alright, so it does work. That's cool. Alright, cool. So that's the new racial skill. I think that is the coolest thing that is probably in this update. Besides the new mod, I really like how Yama's is writing. Alright, these are just normal NPCs, so I can't actually talk to them. So I might go to the actual dimensions to see, but we'll see. Let's see. Some new stuff to the config. Like I said, the racial skills can be leveled up with TP, and you can turn that on or off in the JRMC core config. And then player update timer tick. I guess that's added. Set how often players will update itself for asking for missions and when entering the teleporter for the hyperbolic time chamber. So you can basically have it so you can set the amount of time until the server or your single player game, your game and just in general will ask you or tell you about the missions, I think. JRMC racial skill command received 3 command configs to notify self, console, and others. So, like if it, I don't know how to explain this if someone doesn't own a server. Basically, if someone gets TP and you have that set to true on the server config, it will notify you in chat saying like someone got TP or something. Basically, you can just turn that to false and it won't notify you, so you won't get all these notifications, which I think is very, very useful. For key attacks, list of entities every key attack reacts to. Reaction is the key blast will vanish from it, destroy it if effect is on key attack, damage it, and damage it if key or effect is on key attack. And those are numbers are 1 through 5. I don't even understand what that's supposed to mean. List of entities every key attacks react to. Oh wait, can I make a new key attack? Is that what it's? I can't see it. I don't think it's in this. I think it's in the config where you can... oh yeah, it's in the config. So I'm dumb. It says it right there. I think you can change every key attack, like every version of it, like a spiral beam or a large blast or a wave. You can change it in the config so when it hits something, that's how the key attack will react to it. So if it hits something, the key attack will vanish, or if it hits something, the key attack will destroy the item or destroy whatever it is hitting along with the key attack. And that's really all I understand from it. The default config will destroy snowballs, arrows, small fireballs, large fireballs. I guess. I don't know. I think this is all with key attack still. To add a specific key attack type to the config, add for example, Jinryu Dragon Block C dot energy attacks exclamation point 2 space 1. 2 equals the type of key attacks, and 1 is the set. Oh, okay. We're gonna skip this part. Oh wait, final explosion. That's been added. Wait, JRMC tech. Or has that already been in here? Where's final explosion? I know it was in the config. But basically says final explosion vanishes if user dies. I don't understand that part. Something cool is the if you have a spiral key attack, it actually goes through entities now, which before it just stopped on them. So let me see if I can make a spiral. I know it's really hard to see this, but I'll try my best to just do it. I don't have enough TP. That's awkward. JRMC TP. Oh gosh, this is so scuffed. Alright, now I got TP. Spiral, speed. Next. Accept. Alright, let's see. Does this go through King Emma? Oh, it did. That was cool. Did you guys see that? The new key attack, spiral key attack, isn't in the game yet. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but it looks pretty cool. It's on the website if you guys want to go check it out. Key shields and explosions give up T experience percentage. That's cool. Disabling explosions and effects for any key type. File explosion, self-harming. This is all stuff you can change in the config. Alright, so now we're on the changes for JRMC TP, or for... Oh, you can change the JRMC TP stuff, which I don't know what MBT data is supposed to do with this. Now add an equation, equation with the player MBT. Oh, so you can make it so it gives you like a percentage of a certain amount of TP. Yo, that's cool. You can give like 60% of the TP or something. Oh, that's so cool. I don't know exactly how to do it with the command yet. If I figure it out, I will have an update video, but I'm not going to look at that right now, but it's pretty cool. Some methods you can do is I'm just going to copy this because I don't know how the heck to say it in this. So this looks like slash JRMC TP, 15 TP at the player, and then you times it by the JRMC difference. And the difference is an absolute value of 3 and then minus. There's a lot of stuff you can do, and it's quite confusing. So this is another one. This is another method. So you can do JRMC TP 15 at P multiplied by JRMC difference of 3, and if the absolute value is negative or positive, you get 1. I'm so confused. Math was never my strong suit. Alright, and then on to the last part before this video ends. I'm sorry that it was the whole stuff, but you know, there's a lot of new things, and it's kind of interesting because there's a lot of math to do with it, and I suck at math. But yeah, so some new stuff was the Yema thing. No, I didn't mean to shoot Yema. Please don't send me to hell. And then on death teleportation location in the Otherworld, one for each alignment. So I guess you can set it for different alignments. I thought that was already in the game. If the player's alignment changes in the Otherworld, then he will sadly be teleported to the location he first entered at. Oh. Meaning where he entered in the Otherworld, or in the overworld. That's confusing. Planet Vegeta, Saiyan 1 and 2 spawn rates, so that you can change those, I guess. And then I think this is going to be fascinating. Healing water. That's not it. Pod. The healing pod. And then where is the liquid? There it is. Medical liquid. You can now change the amount that it heals you, which I think is pretty fascinating. Sorry, I always like playing with these doors. So you can update the tick of how much the player gets healed every tick, and I believe in the config. And then the healing rate with health and ki and stamina, the amount of water heals specific powers. And then you can change it to percentage of it. So you can change the health, ki, and stamina. It converts the healing rate config to a percentage amount rather than using a fixed number. So instead of like saying heal a person by only 600 health, 600 ki, and 600 stamina, you can change it to heal players' percentage of their health by 60%, or their key for 60%, and then their stamina for 60%. So instead of going, I believe, all the way up, or only going up 60 at a time, I believe you can change it to where it goes up to only 60%. So say if you have 100 health, which is impossible in this game, I don't think so. Maybe, I don't know. You can only, I guess, give yourself 60% of that, so it's 60 health per tick. I think that's how it works. Yeah, so I think that's about it for the things. I do want to go show off these NPCs, so be right back. Alright, we've come to the other world. This is not my other world. Well, it is, but it's weird looking. It kind of respawned itself, so I gotta fix it. But yeah, we're in another world, so I did want to see what the King Yema looks like at the desk now. He's writing on paper. What's up, King Yema? Well, you're not really forward all the way, but that's still cool. And then it's the same thing, so that's cool. And then let's go ahead and check out King Kai. And yes, a lot of this stuff is going to be revamped. I am currently on Final Stand revamp server. A lot of the stuff I haven't touched over here yet, but it will be revamped, obviously. So I do want to check this out. I think he's up here. He should be up here. King Kai, hello. Are you the right one? You don't seem like the right one. Yeah, you're not the right one. Okay, hold on. Alright, so we got King Kai here. What's up, King Kai? Learn skills. I haven't talked to you in forever because every server removes you. But what's up? Bam, bam, bam. Alright, well, that is the King Kai new model and skin. Looks pretty good. Not gonna lie. But yeah, I am gonna go ahead and end this episode here, guys. Don't freeze me. You froze me. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you smash that like button down below. Yes, this is the Final Stand spawn. It's not done. Yeah. It's Jared. What's up, Jared? I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.